Namaste. Myself is Naresh from Jyoti Vidyapit, Women's University, Jaipur. I am an assistant professor in Computer Science Department. Today's session is based on HTML, basic and little bit about its tags. Why we are studying about HTML? Scope of HTML. Students can start your career in HTML. So, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is most widely used in web development, or you can say any if a student wants to start your career in web designing, in game development, with the help of HTML, we can understand the web, how to navigate one page to another page, how web work. HTML is basically used in static websites, or you can say display the data. Data may be in the form of text as well as in the audio, video, image, anything else. Many applications we are using our daily life, like we are searching a lot of things in use browser. We are search any product, we are searching related to topic. So basically we are every day interact with the browser. So how to browser work and how to web page work. HTML is basically a tag. See this example. This is a HTML tag. This is a starting tag and this is a closing tag of HTML. In between the HTML tags, many tags are working, like your head tag for heading of your web page, body tag for display data in your web page. Let's see the example. This is the Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University website. This is the address of the website jvwu.ac.in, and index.html is the page name. .html is the extension of your page. It is developed in, or you can say it is designed or coded in HTML. Index is a page name. Now in this page we have seen a lot of things, like this is a logo, you can say this is an image, this is a PNG image we are using over here, this is a text, we are write Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, this is a image slider. Now scroll down. This is a presentation of data regarding to patents, research project, university startups, research paper published, the programs and the enrolled students. This is a message. This is again about the virtual tour of Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. This is again few images, admissions, and many more things over here. So this is the HTML page, and we are representing here, or we are presenting here a lot of data in the form of image or the text. So what is the use of this HTML page, and why we are using HTML? So let's start how to create an HTML page. This is a Dreamweaver. We are using Dreamweaver over here. This is my first HTML page. Here I am using the same concept. This is a HTML tag. This is the opening tag of HTML. Everything within HTML tag. This is a heading tag. Head. This is a title tag for title of your page. We are here write any title. So if you write anything in body part or body tag, so it is display on the page. You're supposed to. I'm right here JVWU. Okay, this is the Jyoti Vidya Peet Women's University. So let's save it. I'm saving it. I here assign the name dot html. Now browse it. This is a Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. So if I am writing anything within the body tag, so it is represent on the page, on your HTML page. So many tags are working here, many tags. If you want to display anything, you're supposed to, I want to display the heading. In HTML we have heading tags. The heading tags start from h1 to h6. See the example, h1. So in a HTML tag, I have write h1. For HTML2, I have write h2. For h3, h3. For h4 tag, h4. Then for h5 tag, for h5. And for h4, h6 tags for h6. Let's see the output. Actually, what happened if I'm writing like this? Save the file and go to the screen and refresh the page. We have seen there is h. It means I have used this for h1, for h2, for h3, for h4, h5 and h6. It means h1 tag is taking font size larger than other heading tags, and the h6 tags taking small font size compared to others. If you want to use this heading, so set where you want to use the heading, because every web page having headings and subheadings. So it is up to you which tag you want to use and where you want to use. But in every web page have at least one heading tag. It is useful in a search engine optimization as well as other techniques uh, for advertisement of your web page. Okay, every tag every tag have some properties like text. If you want to use any text, but if I'm talking about the text is not necessary in a simple format. Maybe if you want to text in bold, maybe if you want to text in italic form, maybe if you want to text, you want to change the color of your text, so it is possible. If I am seeing this website, Jyoti Vidyapeeth website, we have seen a lot of things over here. They use another color, there is another. Look at here, another color is used. There is a white color is used. So it means these are the properties. We can change the properties easily. These properties Everything you can change easily. Let's see how to change the property of any tag. Suppose to I want to change the h1 tag property. So how can you change the h1 tag property? You just write style, then you want to change, use property color. If you know the color name, then write the color name. Otherwise, write it's a hexacode on this option. Save your page and go and refresh the page. You have seen this, the color has been changed. So it means you can change color. If you want to use, sir, I want to, this should be an italic or whatever, anything else you want, I want to change its font size, so you can change it easily, because every tag has some properties. So this is not only a single way to change the any text, because text can be a form in the paragraph. So in a HTML we have another option, or we can say we have another tag for representing any text but in a group, like paragraph. The p tag represent here is a paragraph. So if you want, type anything, sorry, okay, if you write anything over here in a p tag, it is a paragraph tag. So data is represent like in a paragraph. Let's see, there is a one paragraph text maybe over here. This is the message from chairperson desk. So this is a paragraph. Get that point? So let's see what happened. Okay, I have write a single paragraph in a p tag. It is a paragraph tag. Let's see what happened if I am using the paragraph tag, if I am using the heading tag. Save this page and refresh your browser. Let's see, your paragraph is over here. Get that point? If you have data, or you can say if you have the statement, so we are basically using the heading tag, or we can say paragraph tag. But in most probably today's websites using paragraph tag, because data is not in a single line, we have multiple lines, so we don't use multiple tags repeated, so we are using paragraph tag. This is a paragraph and this is a text form, so you can change its property. Like you want this should be a bold, use style, its color, which color you want to show, this one. Save this, go and refresh, color is changed. Get that point? This is the basic use of HTML. Every page should be saved .html extension, not use another extension. And your web page, if you are creating any website, so your first web page should be saved in index.html, not with another name of, like if you want to create a website, so you have a lot of pages, so you have to decide what is index, where you want to start. So your first page it should be saved with a name of index.html. Thanks.